In this video, I will explain how to use the noise calculation sheet. This sheet is designed to calculate the overall noise level of equipment such as pumps, motors, compressors, and fans. The sheet is simple to use and it performs all calculations automatically. Let's begin by understanding the layout of the sheet. On the left side, we have octave band frequencies ranging from 63 Hz up to 8,000 Hz. These frequencies are standard in noise analysis. The yellow cells are where we input the noise data. All other cells contain formulas, so we should not change them. I will walk through the sheet with two examples. In the first example, I will enter the octave band noise levels. In the second example, I will enter the A-weighted noise levels. Between these examples, I will also show how to use the reset button. Let's begin with example 1. Before I enter any data, I will click the reset button so the sheet is completely clear. As you can see, all previous values are gone and the sheet is ready for a fresh calculation. Now, let's say a vendor gave us the octave band noise levels for a pump. I will enter the following. At 63 Hz, I enter 76 decibels. At 125 Hz, I enter 81 decibels. At 250 Hz, I enter 85 decibels. At 500 Hz, I enter 89 decibels. At 1000 Hz, I enter 91 decibels. At 2000 Hz, I enter 88 decibels. At 4000 Hz, I enter 84 decibels. At 8000 Hz, I enter 79 decibels. Once these values are entered, the sheet automatically calculates the A-weighted levels. The sheet uses correction factors to adjust each frequency and then combines them using logarithmic addition. We cannot add decibels using normal arithmetic, so the sheet handles that behind the scenes. Once done, the overall noise level is shown in the result area. This is the value we use to evaluate the equipment's noise performance. Next, let's look at example 2. Before we begin, I will again click the reset button so we clear all inputs. Now the sheet is ready again. In this example, the vendor has already provided A-weighted levels, so we don't enter anything in the noise level column. Instead, we will enter values in the input A-weighted level column. I will enter these values. At 63 Hz, 50 decibels A-weighted. At 125 Hz, 65 decibels A-weighted. At 250 Hz, 76 decibels A-weighted. At 500 Hz, 86 decibels A-weighted. At 1000 Hz, 91 decibels A-weighted. At 2000 Hz, 89 decibels A-weighted. At 4000 Hz, 85 decibels A-weighted. At 8000 Hz, 78 decibels A-weighted. Once I enter these, the sheet automatically sums them using logarithms. No manual calculation is needed. The overall noise level is shown right away. This approach is useful when the vendor provides A-weighted data directly. So depending on the data you have, you can choose either method. If you have octave band noise levels,